In this video, you'll learn how to downgrade your Emergent AI subscription. By following these steps, you will successfully adjust your subscription plan to better suit your needs. Begin by opening a web browser on your device. In the address bar, type Google and press Enter to access the search engine. This will direct you to the Google homepage where you can initiate your search. Once the Google homepage loads, proceed to type Emergent AI into the search bar. After entering the search term, press Enter again. This action will generate a list of search results related to Emergent AI. Next, locate the result that matches Emergent AI and click on it. This will take you to the official Emergent AI website. Look for the correct page to ensure you are on the right site before proceeding. After the Emergent AI homepage appears, find and click on your profile icon, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu that provides access to various account options. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. This will direct you to the settings page where you can manage your subscription and billing information. On the account settings page, look for the option labeled Billing. Click on it to view your current subscription details and billing history. This section is crucial for making changes to your subscription. After accessing the billing section, find and click on the option that says Cancel to Renew. This will initiate the process of downgrading your subscription plan. Once you've clicked Cancel to Renew, you may see a confirmation message. Ensure you read this message carefully, as it provides important information regarding your subscription changes. Next, click on the Close button to finalize the cancellation process. This action may redirect you back to your account settings. Confirm that the changes have been saved before continuing. Return to your profile by clicking on the profile icon again. From the drop-down menu, select Upgrade. This option allows you to choose a different subscription plan. If you are currently on the Pro plan and wish to downgrade to the standard plan, select the appropriate option. This choice will guide you through the necessary steps to adjust your subscription. Navigate to the Help section by clicking on Help, usually found in the account settings or footer of the page. This section provides additional resources and support. In the Help section, locate and click on Downgrade Logic. This link will provide detailed information about the downgrading process and its implications. After clicking on Downgrade Logic, review the messages that appear. You will see a notification stating that changes will take effect in the next billing cycle. This is important for understanding when your new plan will begin. Additionally, you may encounter messages indicating that your current credits will remain active until the end of the cycle. This ensures you can still use your existing credits until the renewal date. Finally, you will see a message confirming that new plan credits will begin with your next renewal. This ensures clarity on when you can start utilizing your downgraded subscription benefits. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.